As we know, the human body has different organs. Obviously, these organs have been assigned specific tasks. Legs are supposed to help you walk or run. Ears help us to listen to sounds. Hands are supposed to help you carry things, and so on. All right, don't get confused. You're not watching a biology video. I am going to talk about the organs of the government. Just like the human body, even government needs organs to function efficiently. The Union Government or the Central Government of India has 3 organs: the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. The function of the legislature is to make laws. These laws have to be followed by all people residing in the country. The laws framed by the legislature are implemented by the other 2 organs of the government. The members of the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha are part of the legislature of the central government. The executive is the organ that implements the laws. It runs the day-to-day administration of the country. It is also allowed to take decisions for the country within the framework of the Constitution and laws framed by the legislature. The Prime Minister and his ministers form the executive organ of the central government. And the third organ is the judiciary. This organ gives judgments based on the laws that have already been passed and implemented. They help uphold peace and order in a good government. If the executive and the legislature have any differences, the judiciary can step in and find a solution. It works independently. The Supreme Court of India is considered the judicial organ of the central government. Similarly, the state government has 3 organs of government. The Legislative Assembly of the state forms the legislature. The state government, led by the Chief Minister, forms the executive. Courts, headed by high courts, form the judiciary at the state level. India is a union of states. The Union of India is governed by the union government or central government. The central government takes care of national issues like defense, communications, banking, and printing of currency. The state government, elected by people, takes care of local issues like police, agriculture, healthcare, and markets. The central government of India has 3 organs: the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary.
If you like this video and want to watch many more amazing videos like these, like and subscribe to our channel now.